Welcome everyone. Let's discuss those stocks. Three things. You have to know three things about those stocks and how to trade them. One, you have to know where you get in. Second, you have to know where the price will squeeze or jump, the indication for strength. And third thing is where you take your profit. If you know all those three things, you can make billions, not even millions. So let's get right to it and discuss first stock on our list, which is Snap. Last time we talked about it, today in our pre-market update on our Patreon, because we do always daily update here. And what we said, if we broke the $8.49 on orange line, we're gonna go around our profit taking the $9.18, and that's what happened for Snap. The price broke our resistance, clear breakout. You see it here around the $8.56, and the price went there. Perfect profit taken, and now we're holding above this level. Let me just go to Mulan and NIO very quick, because we did as well update chart analysis for both of them. For Mulan, we discussed the 0.60 cent. We said we need to make it our support because the pre-market was over the 0.60, but when the market opened, we gravitating down and we got rejected. That's why we said the bottom for Mulan should be around the 0.45, and that's what happened for Mulan. We went around the 45 cent and the price jumped. Next up, we have NIO. We talked about it yesterday, if you remember, on our YouTube channel, and as well here, we did chart analysis for NIO, just for a reminder. And what we said this level around the $9.33 would be a breakout zone to go around our profit taking the $10.50. And of course, we went today around the $10.50, and we getting a bit of rejection because the short seller is heavily lying there. So let's start our video with Snap, where the price will go. So there is a potential now for the price to go even for this profit taken around the 11 if we hold above this current support, which is the $9.19. Otherwise, the price will go gravitate around the $8.56. For my opinion, the $8.56 will be still strong indication for Snap. It still have bullish momentum to go to around the $11. But the best case scenario is holding this level. If we held it by tomorrow even, this will be a good indication for price momentum shift for Snap, at least until the $10.60 and the $11. Next up, we got Mulan. As we discussed it, we said the bottom around the 0.45 cent in our Patreon pre-market before the market open. That's why the price got rejected around the 60 cent and went perfect triple bottom and testing our AMA and bounce up again. So before the market close, we want to have one indication for strength or weakness. For strength, if we just broke this level around this orange dotted line, the 53 cent. Because if we saw the 53 cent and we overcome the 53 cents and we go around the 60, this would be a big party for tomorrow, huge volatility, and we actually go toward the 68 and the 76 profit taken for Mulan before even Friday. Otherwise, the other indication for weakness, if the price got broken from this support, the 45 cent, even we saw the 44 cents, the price will have a huge volatility of selling pressure until this support above this ascending line. Let me just show you where we're gonna go. Of course, around this magnet, around the 38.37, here we're gonna have huge reversal. When the price will go here, the market maker will buy this price value for Mulan, and the price will go higher to retest the 45. This will happen today or even tomorrow. If it happened today, this should be our bottom for the coming days. In order to confirm Mulan still have a bullish momentum to go around this level. We don't want to have this reaction price go without test until the 29, and we do double bottom around the 29 cent. This will be a huge signal for weakness for Mulan, and we're gonna take up a bit of time to go to the $1. Next up, we got NIO. The price went crazy down for a lot of stocks yesterday, for a lot of stocks for NIO, for ADU. We said the $9.34 would be a breakout zone. Of course, today we broke from it and we went around our profit taking the $10.50. So for my opinion, NEO will have a transition for this level of bearish momentum that opened around Monday if we clear the $10.50, because we're gonna go around the $11.69. If we get rejected by today or tomorrow, we're gonna revisit the $9.34. We want to make it as a bottom, because if we don't hold it, it means the $8 will be visited and a huge selling pressure will open. Otherwise, if we held the $9.34 accumulation, boom, the price will continue to go higher. So this will confirm the bottom that have been visited around the $8.41 and we never go back. So the $9.34 will be like the pivot area for NEO, and the $10.50 of course for going higher. ADU going higher as well, because we bought the dip for it. We talked about it last Monday as well. When the price went down, we suggest the $18 should be our breakout zone, and that's what happened. The profit taking, we already took it around the 1990. It triggered today, and the prices continue to go higher. There is a potential to fill this gap and potential rejection, so watch out for ADU. If we got rejected, it means the price would go down to test the $9.19. Ape is about to break, but guess what? The short seller have a different story to tell. You know why? Because they got all in around the $2.81. Here the squeeze will happen. Just wait for it for Ape, because there's a huge buying pressure. When we got rejected, boom, we bought back again above our AMA. So there's a potential for a squeeze for Ape if we broke the $2.81. This is the breakout zone. The support is $2.29, and of course profit taking starting around the $3.14 and the $4. MMTLP is still holding this ascending line, perfect, and now we have a breakout zone or squeeze area around the $6.93. If you already in for MMTLP, I recommend to take a profit first around the $7. If we broke it, it means we're gonna go around the $9, $10. You can enter again just for safety. Just always take your profit on the way, because you never know what's gonna happen for the market. And like what happened to NEO and the other stock, boom, the market opened on Monday, big news happened before Monday, and the price went crazy down over 20%. Nobody imagined that. It's not about even making money, it's about not losing money. Because if you force a trade and you want to make money for that day and you want to get back the money that you lost, this is enforce the losing cycle, because you force bad trade. Even stock is not fitting our strategy, you just enter and take it anyway. Be patient. Not trading is trading as well. Just think about it. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know which stock you hunting for the next week. We might actually cover it for you here on our channel. If we didn't cover it, we're gonna cover it for you on our live streaming that we do always on Friday, 8 p.m. CET. So bring a question and let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next update.